sit down, sit back, and laugh our stress. And ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring one of the most tallest comedian in the comedy industry, the giant we have in comedy industry. And ladies and gentlemen, he won the best comedian of the year. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Auchi, Edo State, Nigeria, help me welcome Andrew, the giant.
All right. Very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, if you know Jesus is not your mate, I would like you to stand up on your feet and give him a big, 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 big shout. Instrumentalists, put your hands in your pockets. I don't need you. Sit down. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you are meeting me for the first time, Andrew the Giant is my name. And I am the tallest in my family. My business this night is to make you laugh. If you not laugh, comedy cannot solve your problem. What you need is deliverance. Ladies and gentlemen, let me be realistic. It is only a foolish man that will say he does not need counsel. Receive advice from people, but not be everybody you go take. That's why no matter how basketball sweet you reach, dwarf no fit teach you how to play basketball. In the absence of a crocodile, a lizard is appreciated. There is a big difference between suit and coat. Suit, you dey wear them, but coat, you dey enter. Ladies and gentlemen, not be everybody will get big belly, they get money. Now lie, some of them they swallow their pride. Not be everybody will get chest, get muzzle, they go gym. Some of them carry people for mind. Who purge the water, you know they choose toilets? Never. I'm not talking about running stomach, I'm talking about purge. You know, say when purge the water, you feel wrong though. But when purge hold you in and one place you they stand, you go come tight, you know, and then you move like a crocodile. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a big difference between suicide and dying. My friend don't go carry rope before say he want go hang himself for inside bush. He reach bush, he see snake, now he pick race. Now ask him why you run. He say he nearly die. Ladies and gentlemen, there are some laws in Nigeria that legally is not allowed, but illegally is allowed. If you go to a swimming pool, you stand by the swimming pool, you want to urinate inside the pool, it's not allowed. But when you dey inside the pool, they swim, they piss. Now part of swimming. Pastor, you dey laugh. Ladies and gentlemen, I said something during JMAF. Lagos is not meant for the weak. Staying in Lagos alone is a job opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, my neighbor is a back man. That guy, Monday till Sunday, he dey work, you know they come church. The day where he found lay cook egg. This guy came from work, went to the bedroom, he dey bath. The next thing we dey hear, he just dey shout, "Ghosto! Ghosto!" Everybody run reach there. Wetin happen? He say in the inside bedroom, he carried the water the first time. He pour am for head. The water no dey touch his head, but they touch his body. He carried the second time. He pour am for head. The water no dey touch his head, but they touch his body. Now our neighbor net discover say the man never remove helmet for head. Ladies and gentlemen, the world would have been a boring place if there is no women around. That's why they pay me for body if men they like give women. How can you open your mouth and you call a woman an angel? Stop that. That's a lie. There is no woman on earth that is an angel. The word angel is not feminine, it's masculine, and men be angel. I will prove it. You don't read your Bible from Genesis to Revelation. You don't see where they say it's Cynthia. The only angel where you say it's Michael, angel Gabriel. Talk to any man where they call an angel.
If you are clapping, you can do better. Thank you so much. Laughter is medicinal. So, one of the patronizers were. It's just that he said something that I've stopped saying. Because of some certainty, we know they crack the joke.